how to manifest money, love, and success in your life. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the topic of manifestation and learn how to attract money, love, and success into our lives. Are you ready to take control of your life and manifest your wildest dreams? Let's do this. 1. Understanding the law of attraction. First, let's talk about the basics. Have you heard of the law of attraction? Simply put, it states that like attracts like. So, if you want to attract more money, love, and success into your life, you have to vibrate at a high frequency of abundance and positivity. Think about it. If you're always thinking negative thoughts, you'll attract more negativity into your life. But if you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you'll attract more positivity. 2. The power of visualization. Visualization is one of the most powerful manifestation tools out there. It's the process of creating a mental image of what you want to attract into your life. So, close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you want. What does it look like? What do you see? What do you feel? Let that feeling of abundance and happiness fill you up. The key to successful visualization is to make it as real as possible. Add as many details as you can, and feel the emotions as if it's already happened. This helps you raise your vibration and attract what you want. 3. Affirmations for money, love, and success. Affirmations are positive statements that help you change your thought patterns and beliefs. They help you align your mind with your goals and bring more positivity into your life. For example, if you want to attract more money, you can say affirmations like, "I am worthy of financial abundance, money flows easily into my life," or "I am grateful for the abundance in my life." Similarly, if you want to attract love, you can say affirmations like, "I am deserving of love and happiness, I am in a loving and fulfilling relationship," or "I attract love and joy into my life." And if you want to attract success, you can say affirmations like, "I am successful in all areas of my life, I am confident and capable," or "I am making progress towards my goals every day." 4. Gratitude practice. Gratitude is another powerful manifestation tool that helps you raise your vibration and attract more abundance into your life. When you focus on what you're grateful for, it shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. So, make it a habit to write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. You can also practice gratitude meditation, where you focus on all the good things in your life and imagine them expanding. 5. Taking action towards your goals. Now that you know the tools of manifestation, it's time to take action towards your goals. Write down your goals, and break them down into smaller, achievable steps. Then, start taking those steps every day. Remember, manifestation is not about sitting around and waiting for things to happen. You have to take action and do the work. But when you combine positive thoughts, visualization, affirmations, and gratitude with action, you'll see amazing results. 6. Letting go of limiting beliefs. One of the biggest roadblocks to manifestation is limiting beliefs. These are negative thoughts and beliefs that hold us back and prevent us from attracting what we want. For example, if you believe that you're not deserving of love or money, you'll attract more of that into your life. So, it's important to identify and challenge these limiting beliefs. You can do this by writing down your beliefs and then finding evidence to prove that they're not true. Or, you can use affirmations and visualization to reprogram your mind and replace those limiting beliefs with positive ones. So, there you have it, folks. The tools and techniques to manifest money, love, and success into your life. Remember, manifestation is a process and it takes time, but with persistence and positivity, you'll get there. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content just like this. Until next time, keep manifesting and stay positive.